Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set video timer on Snapchat. So let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app. On the right side of your screen, you will see a plus icon. Tap on it to open more options. Scroll down through the options until you find the timer icon. It's typically represented by a small clock. Once you tap it, your photo timer for Snapchat will now be enabled. Locate the timer option on the right side of your screen again. Simply tap on it to switch from photo timer to video timer. Now set the length of your video recording. Finally, tap on the set timer option from the bottom and set the video timer. Now, when you take a snap, the video timer will count down before starting to record your video. And that's it. This is how you can set video timer on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.